Hey guys, Henry here from Freedom Formula. Freedom Formula is extremely dedicated to helping you become the amazing person you're meant to be. In this video, we're speaking about 101 affirmations that will change your life forever. So let's go take a closer look. Do you have a hard time focusing on prosperity? Do you find yourself struggling with negative thought habits that only seem to attract more lack and difficulty into your life? Affirmations are one simple tool you can use to turn it around. Affirmations work by delivering new messages to your subconscious mind. Most often, this involves replacing old limiting messages with new empowering messages. However, the way you word your affirmations will usually determine how effective they are. If I ask you to recite this affirmation, I am a multimillionaire, how effective do you think it would be? Would you turn into an overnight millionaire? Would money start falling out of the sky to land in your lap? Probably not. Why? To put it simply, it's because you know the statement isn't true. If you try to feed your subconscious mind a belief that you're a millionaire, it creates a conflict with your current set of beliefs. Your subconscious mind doesn't like conflict, and it doesn't like change, so nothing in your life changes either. In order for affirmations to work, you must word them in a way that your subconscious mind won't resist. In other words, make them believable. Compare the above affirmation to one like this. I'm becoming more prosperous every day. That one feels better, doesn't it? Your mind doesn't try to resist it because you can actually imagine it happening. Another power boost for affirmations is to word them in a way that places more responsibility on you. For example, instead of affirming, I am becoming more prosperous every day, you could say, I am open to the best opportunities to make money quickly and easily. The wording of such an affirmation makes you feel more in control of your circumstances. Rather than waiting anxiously for money to fall out of the sky, you send a message to your subconscious mind that you can control how much money you have by being alert to great opportunities. Affirmations can vary in the length of time required to firmly take root in your mind. For the most part, it depends on the intensity of your opposing beliefs and the level of effort you put forth in turning those beliefs around. If your focus on lack is very strong, you'll probably have to expend a fair amount of energy and effort to train your mind to focus on prosperity. However, it's time and effort well spent. The more you focus on positive thoughts and prosperous beliefs, the more you'll find yourself attracting good things into your life. Affirmations are great tools that can help you overcome fear, build your confidence, develop an abundance mindset, and more. The problem is, a lot of people aren't sure exactly how to write effective affirmations. Do they always have to be in present tense? Can they contain negative words like can't, won't, not, and so on? There are plenty of differing opinions on the right and wrong ways to write effective affirmations. The bottom line is that an affirmation can be considered effective if it works for you. The whole point of affirmations is to shift your thoughts and emotions to a more positive place. This will help you feel more confident, happy, secure, abundant, or anything else you're trying to accomplish. Take a look at the sample affirmations below for starters, and feel free to use them if they resonate with you. If not, try altering them slightly until they trigger the mindset and emotional state you're trying to attain. Affirmations for healthy weight and body image. Today I love my body fully, deeply and joyfully. My body has its own wisdom and I trust that wisdom completely. My body is simply a projection of my beliefs about myself. I am growing more beautiful and luminous day by day. I choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body. As I love myself, I allow others to love me too. Flaws are transformed by love and acceptance. Today I choose to honor my beauty, my strength and my uniqueness. I love the way I feel when I take good care of myself. Today my own well-being is my top priority. Affirmations for self-confidence and self-belief. Fear is only a feeling, it cannot hold me back. I know that I can master anything if I do it enough times. Today, I am willing to fail in order to become successful in life. I believe that I have the strength to make my dreams come true. I'm going to relax and have fun with this, no matter what the outcome may be. I'm proud of myself for even daring to try. Many people won't even do that. Today I put my full trust in my inner guidance. I grow in strength with every forward step I take. I release my hesitation and make room for victory. With a solid plan and a belief in myself, there's nothing I can't do. Affirmations for abundance and prosperity. I hope into the flow of great abundance in all areas of my life. I always have more than enough of everything I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I expand my awareness of the abundance all around me. I allow the universe to bless me in surprising and joyful ways. My grateful heart is a magnet that attracts more of everything I desire. Prosperity is beginning to surround me. Prosperity is beginning to fill me. Prosperity is beginning to flow to me and through me. I exude passion, purpose, and prosperity. I'm always led to the people who need what I have to offer. As my commitment to help others grows, so does my wealth. My day is filled with limitless potential and joy, abundance and love. Affirmations for life purpose. The better I know myself, the clearer my purpose becomes. My unique skills and talents can make a profound difference in the world. Today I follow my heart and discover my destiny. I am meant to do great things. I'm limited only by my vision of what's possible. My purpose is to develop and share the best parts of myself with others. Today I present my love, passion, talent and joy as a gift to the world. I need not know the entire journey in order to take one step. I fulfill my life purpose by starting here, right now. My life purpose can be whatever I decide to make it. Affirmations for inner peace. All is well, right here, right now. Peace begins with a conscious choice. Today I embrace simplicity, peace and solace. A peaceful heart makes for a peaceful life. I trust the universe to deliver my highest good in every situation. By becoming peace, I create peace in every experience. I am filled with the light of love, peace and joy. Peace comes when I let go of trying to control every tiny detail. Where peace dwells, fear cannot. Today my mission is to surrender and release. Affirmations for opportunity. Today I open my mind to the endless opportunities surrounding me. Opportunities are everywhere, if I choose to see them. I boldly act on great opportunities when I see them. My intuition leads me to the most lucrative opportunities. An opportunity is simply a possibility until I act on it. Some of the best opportunities are made, not found. Today I see each moment as a new opportunity to express my greatness. I expand my awareness of the hidden potential in each experience. Let each of my experiences today be a gateway to something even better. Each decision I make creates new opportunities. Affirmations for love. I am ready for a healthy, loving relationship. All of my relationships are meaningful and fulfilling. As I share my love with others, the universe mirrors love back to me. I see everyone I meet as a soulmate. I trust the universe to know the type of partner who is perfect for me. Today I release fear and open my heart to true love. I am grateful for the people in my life. I am the perfect partner for my perfect partner. I deserve a loving, healthy relationship. I deserve to be loved and I allow myself to be loved. Affirmations for healing. I am strong and healthy. My energy and vitality are increasing every day. I open to the natural flow of wellness now. My inner guidance leads me to the right healing modalities for me. Abundant health and wellness are my birthright. Thank you for my strength, my health and my vitality. I am feeling stronger and better now. I love taking good care of myself. Today nurturing myself is my highest priority. Thank you for the opportunity to balance my mind, body and spirit. Affirmations for inner clarity. Today I awaken to my higher wisdom. My inner voice guides me in every moment. I am centered, calm and clear. I always know the right actions to achieve my goals. When I know where I'm going, getting there is a cinch. Today I am completely tuned into my inner wisdom. Harmony is always a sign that I am balanced from within. Thank you for showing me the way to my dreams. I trust my feelings and insights. I am detached and open to divine guidance. Affirmations for self-love. I am filled with light, love and peace. I treat myself with kindness and respect. I don't have to be perfect, I just have to be me. I give myself permission to shine. I honor the best parts of myself and share them with others. I'm proud of all I have accomplished. Today I give myself permission to be greater than my fears. I love myself, no matter what. I'm my own best friend and cheerleader. Thank you for the qualities, traits and talents that make me so unique. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, if you found this video helpful, why not show some love and share this video with your friends on social media? Please remember to comment below, and let me know about your experience using affirmations to help you succeed in life. Now, over on the top left side of the screen is a video I believe you might like. Directly below that is a video YouTube believes you might like. And if you look over to the right side of the screen, you'll see an icon you can press. If you press that, then you'll be able to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.